In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets easily. If you've ever needed to visualize data in a clear and colorful way, or you're trying to track changes over time with multiple data sets, a line graph is an excellent tool to use. Google Sheets makes this process simple and effective, and I'm here to walk you through each step to ensure you can master this skill effortlessly. First, you want to start by selecting the data you wish to include in your line graph. This is crucial because your data selection will determine how your graph looks and functions. Make sure the data includes the categories or labels, as well as the numerical values you want to plot. Once you have your data highlighted, you're ready for the next step. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where you'll find various options to add elements to your spreadsheet. Be sure you're selecting Insert while your data is still highlighted, so that Google Sheets knows what information should be incorporated into your graph. After clicking Insert, the next option you'll choose is Chart. Once selected, a chart editor will appear on the right side of your screen. This is your dashboard for customizing and perfecting your graph. At first, you might see a default chart type pop up. Don't worry if it's not a line graph yet. You'll be able to change it shortly. In the chart editor, you're going to select the chart type that you need. Here, you should choose the line chart type. This option might be found in a drop-down menu where you'll see various chart types to choose from. Selecting the line chart will automatically convert your data into a beautiful, easy-to-read line graph. Now that your line chart is displayed, the chart editor offers additional customization options. You can modify the settings to better fit your needs. For instance, there's an option to switch rows and columns if it makes the data more comprehensible visually. Additionally, within the graph, you can add or remove names and elements, allowing you to emphasize certain data points or streamline the information shown. Lastly, to really make your graph pop, you'll want to head over to the Customize tab in the chart editor. This is where you can tweak the aesthetic details. Whether you want to change the line colors, adjust the grid lines, or even modify the font sizes to make your data stand out, customizing your chart can really bring your data to life. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets. Play around with these features to tailor your graph precisely to your needs. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. Happy graphing!